Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Day Trade with Tony, the small account challenge. Not so small anymore. We started the day today with 33,400 in the account. So a good solid mid-sized account for day trading, I would say. Over $30,000. I've shown month after month that you can make $100,000 on a $30,000 account. Not easy, and you have to be aggressive, but you can do that. So we're now at that in that realm. So can you make $5,000 a day if you're aggressive and you know what you're doing is possible? Can you make $2,000 a day? Well, that's a realistic expectation, I would say, because that's what I've done today. I've made $2,000. The goal was 5%, which was 1650, 1,650. That was the goal today. And we traded one stock. It was not. It was on my no trades list from trading it previously. Very volatile stock. Uh, Intuitive Machines. The ticker, it goes under the ticker LUNR, so LUNR. We traded that. We got in at the top of a move and then just traded the range. It started to form quite a tidy range, and we got in and just traded the range. So so we traded the range. Okay, so what did that look like? Well, let's take a look, shall we? So early morning, I've been trading a couple of other stocks on the main account, and I locked the main account, switched over, looked for what was moving, and saw that this had basically moved up. It had pulled back, and it was starting to make another move up. It had this high of day here at kind of 1630. So I marked that at the high of day and I thought if it breaks the high of day, I'll look for an entry. I was able to get in here and then it made another new high of day. So then I was able to look at, I was able to get in as it made its way back up after the pullback and took profits up here and then added the position and just added and took profits, added, took profits, added, took profits. And final entry was well, final exit was here. I've recorded the trade. You watch it. It was just trading this range trading is what this is known as. You get the bottom and the top. You get the resistance turned into support, and then you get the high of day again resistance. So you know when you should be taking profits. You know when you should be adding to the position for to get the move up. And then I actually got out here. Is it did start to make not far after I got out, it did start to make a new low, and then what was support previously resistance became resistance again. And then subsequently, you can see the very significant level there, and then subsequently became support again. So technical analysis does work, particularly if you're range trading. Now this was quite a quick trade. It's about 5-10 minutes. So I'll just put it on. I'll take it on the back of this, and we've already imported this trade into the trader view statistics. So let's have a look at what the statistics are looking like right now. Okay, so as you can see, I've just filtered by the small account, and we've had a $2,000 day today. So far, March is green. We didn't trade last Friday, but we're trading well. We're over gold pretty much every single day this month. So in fact, we've been doing really well across the account as a whole. If we look at the actual reports and what we're actually doing for March on the small account challenge, we're now up to just shy of $39,000 in total gross profits. We're averaging that's for the total on the challenge, not just for March. We're averaging $1,300 a day. Every 5 trades I take, 4 of them are profitable. I look at the win-loss expectation, almost $50,000 in profits and only $10,000 against. So really very similar in terms of ratios. A great risk reward, and this is the big thing with this. Now I did take some big risks today, but because I know how this stock trades, I know that I've got to be taking bigger risks in terms of the spreads, in terms of the range. It's a big spread, big range, so I know I have to give it a little bit more wiggle room, and that's what I did today. So you'll see that on the trade. So what does that actually look like just for March though? So for March alone, as I say, we've had all green days so far, $13,000, and really that's off 6 trading days. So it's more than $2,000, $2,100 on average per day. So as I was saying, I've got a $30,000 account now, being less aggressive than I would be on my main account, but because it's a smaller account, the importance is to protect the equity. So they're looking at this now. Again, the accuracy is a little better than what we were, because today's 100%. The accuracy is a little better than what we have over the course of the challenge. I don't think I've ever seen an equity curve that straight, if I'm being 100% honest. That is just a fantastic equity curve. I know it's only 6 days, so it's just a small subset of data. And if I just take that out and filter that back, you'll see the equity curve as March. Since we've got into March, it's just going from strength to strength. And this is the power of compounding. So what I mean by that is, because we're looking for 5% growth, that 5% is adding to the base, and then we're taking 5% of the 5% in addition to the 5% of the base going forward. And that's happening every day. So each day we're getting an increasing goal, an increasing goal, and an increasing goal. So where we're starting to tomorrow will be about 35,000. So we're looking at 1750, so an extra 1,000 on the target. Sorry, an extra 100 on the target from today. So 1750 is the goal for tomorrow. So small account challenge, done and dusted, very quick, very easy trade today. Just mindful, you get in there, you know what you're looking for, using previous resistance as your benchmark for support, looking for your support levels in terms of your stop loss, looking for your previous highs as you take profit, trading that range. Slightly different strategy than I normally do, but very profitable one today. So $2,000. Let's see the trade in action. I didn't want to do that. That was just stupid. What am I doing? Buying up at the top. I should be selling. What did I buy it? 28. 17. Comes back. parts there as well. I have debt, which is currently 32, so and yep. Spreads are horrible. It's a risk you take. When I first entered. Need that 178. You need over 9 for the spreads. 20 cents. Needs to be back over 17. $0.40 spreads. Come on, let's not play silly buggers. $17 on the ask. $17 on the bid, that's the question. Can't leave a bottle there. We're looking for that. Looking for 17. I'm looking for 80 on the bid. Let go. Get green. Get to goal. Get out. I'm done. Time to walk the dog.